when a glass rod is rubbed with silk, it becomes what? I had given you note. Glass rod becomes positive or negative?
Positive.
And
Positive.
silk cloth becomes negative. And if it is ebonite, then it will become negative. Fur becomes positive. Let us check what they want. They are saying gains electron from silk. Proton wala kuch nahi hota hai. So either it will give electron to silk or it will gain. So positive means it has lost electron.
Lost electrons.
Lost electron. So it gives electron to the silk. That is option B. Second one. When 10 raised to 14 electrons are removed. 10 raised to 14 electrons are removed from a neutral metal sphere, charge on that sphere will become. First of all, will that charge be positive or negative when electrons are removed?
Positive.
Positive. So formula is Ne. N is 10 raised to 14. Charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So this will become 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 5. That is same as 16 into 10 raised to minus 6. Unit of charge is coulomb. 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb is called 1 microcoulomb. So charge is 16 microcoulomb. See this mu be written as micro. 16 microcoulomb, option A. Copy.
Done, sir.
Third one. When air is replaced by dielectric medium of constant K, maximum force of attraction between charge separated by distance decreases, increases, remains unchanged, increases K square time. Vaibhav, I want answer from you. Hello, Vaibhav. Yes, Vaibhav. Vaibhav, you can hear? Karan, can you say the answer?
So decreases K times?
Yes, decreases because force in medium is Fa upon K. Already I have given a note. So decreases by K times is the option. Force between two charges when placed in free space, that means in air, is 10 Newton. If they are in a medium of relative permittivity, that is dielectric constant 5, what will be the force? So force between two charges in medium is Fa upon K, which is 10 upon 5 equals to 2. 2 Newton. Option again A. Fifth one. Completed fourth? Till fourth?
Done, sir.
Okay. A charge Q1 exerts some force on second charge Q2. Charge Q1 exerts some force on Q2. If third charge Q3 is brought near it, the force of Q1 exerted on Q2 decreases, increases, remains unchanged. Force exerted by Q1 on Q2 does not depend upon neighboring charge. So can I say remains unchanged? Because force of Q1 on Q2 does not depend on neighboring charges. The resultant may change, but individual will not change. Have you followed what I wrote? Yes, everybody has followed what I wrote? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, fifth answer. Once you complete, please tell so that I can go ahead.
Done, sir.
Okay. Sixth one. 2-point charges. I can call first one as Q1 is 3 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb, and Q2 8 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb repel each other by force of 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton. If each of them is given additional charge, each of them are given additional charge Q into 10 raised to plus 6 coulomb minus 6 into 10 raised to, actually it should be minus 6 coulomb. Then force between them will be, what will be new force between them? Distance is same. The first force is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. New force, you can call this as F2. F2 will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 dash Q2 dash upon R square. So I can say F1 upon F2 will be product of first charge and upon product of new charge. F1 is 6 into 10 raised to minus 3. F2 we want. Q1 is 3 into 10 raised to minus 6. Q2 8 into 10 raised to minus 6. Q1 dash is Q1 plus Q. What will be 3 minus Q? Hello? 3 and minus Q will be how much? Yes, what is Q1 dash? 3 into 10 raised to minus 6. Say fast, so much time you all are taking. Addition, subtraction, should I take one extra lecture to add, subtract, explain you?
Minus 3 10
Minus 3 into 10 raised to
So otherwise I thought you require this lecture also, addition, subtraction. What will be Q2 dash? This Q2 plus that Q. So 8 into 10 raised to minus 6 minus of 6 into 10 raised to minus 6.
2 into
2
10
into 10.
2 into 10 raised to minus.
So one charge negative, other is positive. Now nature of force will be repulsive. Attractive. Okay.
Attractive.
So nature I got, it will attract. Magnitude, let us check. So 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon F2. This is Q1 dash, Q2 dash. 3 8s are 24 into 10 raised to minus 12. 3 into 6 is 12 into 10 raised to minus 12. Cancel. 12 2s are 24. So F2 will be 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton. But attraction because Q1 dash, Q2 dash, one is positive, other is negative. Yes, clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
मेरे आंसर मैच ही नहीं, किधर भी नहीं.
Should be 3 into 2, 6, right?
No, I wrote by mistake here 6. It is 3 actually. नहीं, कितना दिया है force? 6 ही दिया, 6 into 10 raised to minus 3. So 6 upon 2 is 3 into 10 raised to minus 3. 3 into 10 raised to minus 6. Other charge is minus 6. That means it is 3 into 2. My apology. This is 6, na? I made 12. Hello?
Yes, sir, yeah.
6. So it will be 6 into 4. That means 1.5. 6 upon 4 means 1.5. Okay? Yes, everybody cleared now with the
Yes, sir.
sum? So it is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton, but attractive in nature. Option given in D. Okay.
इलेक्ट्रिशियन लोगों से ना लाइट बिल निकलवा लीजिए ये बाहर सर्दी निकाल लेंगे तो उसको होता नहीं निकाल देंगे
Done, sir.
Seventh. The electric strength of air. Electric strength means that E is 2 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per coulomb. The largest charge, that means maximum charge, that a metallic sphere of radius 3 millimeter can hold is. What is formula for intensity due to point charge?
By Q.
1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. So whenever on sphere you are having charge, it can be considered as a point charge. So on the surface, distance from the center is radius. F by Q when force is given. Okay. So E is 2 into 10 raised to 6. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught ka value I think we have written. For air, is it 9 into 10 raised to 9?
Yes, sir.
Into Q we want. R is 3 millimeter. That is 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter and square of that. So I can say Q is 2 into 10 raised to 6. 3 square is 9 into 10 raised to 3 2s are 6. That is minus 6 upon 9 into 10 raised to 9. Any doubt till this first? Any doubt till this?
No, sir.
9 cancel, 10 raised to minus 6 plus 6 cancel. 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb. 10 raised to minus 9 is called nano coulomb. What's the coulomb? Nano coulomb. And minus 6 is micro coulomb. 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb is 1 micro coulomb. 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb is 1 nano coulomb. 10 raised to minus 12 coulomb is 1 pico coulomb. Please write this much. Again with 7 sum.
Done, sir.
There are n electrons on a drop of oil. There are n electrons on the drop of oil. It is in equilibrium. Equilibrium means net force
Zero.
is zero. So it is in equilibrium in electric field of intensity E. That means its weight mg. Net force zero means weight mg is balanced by electric force. Weight is balanced by electric force. If density is rho, then what is the radius of the drop? It is balanced by electric force. That means electric force might be acting upward, whose intensity is E. Arya, what is density formula? A mass formula in density? Yes, Arya, formula for mass intensity?
Mass upon volume.
Density into volume. Mass is density into.
Yes, sir.
And electrical force is QE. Avan, just now earlier you told QE.
Yes, sir.
Volume of a sphere, can I say 4 by 3 pi r cube?
Pi r cube.
Very good. And charge is due to n electron. So Ne into E. I hope you followed this statement. Everybody
Yes.
followed.
Yes, sir.
So we are interested in R. So I'm separating R cube. It will be 3 times NEE upon 4 pi into rho into G. 4 pi rho G. So taking cube root, 3 NEE upon 4 pi rho G whole raised to 1 by. Just check whether this is present or not. Anybody who has not followed this sum? Yes, anybody who has not followed? Everybody has followed, that means?
Followed, sir. Followed, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
option D. Option D. Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one, diagram related. Figure gives electric lines of force due to two charges Q1 and Q2. Q1 and Q2. All these lines are coming inside or going out?
Inside.
Inside for
Inside.
which charge? Negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative.
Can
Negative.
I say both are negative?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Both negative, option is A. Both negative. Are you enjoying this chapter? I love this chapter to teach. Shall we go to the next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Electric field at 20 centimeter at a point up from a point charge is E. Then at distance of 5 centimeter, what will be the charge? So what will be this E dash question mark? I think we all know formula for electric field due to point charge, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. Okay.
Yes.
So E upon E dash will become R2 upon R1 square or not? E and R square are ulta. E
Yes, sir.
upon R1. Very good if you have understood this. Excellent work you all are doing. This should be continued till end. So first is E. E dash I don't know. R2 is 5 centimeter. R1 is 20 centimeter. Square it. So can I say 4 5 is 20? E upon E dash will be 1 upon 16. That means E dash
16 times
is
E.
16 times E. 16 times E, option C.
Done, sir.
Okay. Coming to sum number 11. Two charge sphere of radius 10 and 15 are connected by thin wire. No current will flow if they have what? Two charge sphere of radius 10 and 15 are connected by wire. No current will flow. Who will decide current? Do you know?
Potential.
Very good. So if current is not flowing, what does it mean?
Same potential.
Same potential.
Potential.
Option B. Current does not depend upon flow of charge. It will depend upon potential and then it will depend upon charge. Important one. Potential is same. Correct. And best part, you are able to answer. That is also very good. 8 mercury drop. Very, very, very important one. 1, 2, 3. This way 8 mercury drop. Having radius of 1 millimeter. And a charge of 0.066 picocoulomb. So 1 millimeter means 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Picocoulomb will be 1, 2, 3 is first 10 raised to minus 3 to remove decimal. Pico I told 10 raised to minus 12 or 9.
12.
12.
And nano is 9. Each merge to form one droplet, then its potential is. They combine to form one droplet, what its potential is. Actually ये पहले 11th में था, अभी 12th में चला गया. So I'm just explaining you the formula of potential. First, relation between charge on the small and big. When 8 combines to charge on Q, on the bigger one will be 8 times small. All the charges will be additive. They will add to become a larger drop. So Q, 8. Now I'm checking relation between their radius. What is volume of 8 droplet? Can I say volume of 8 droplets is same as volume of one big drop?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Volume of 8 droplets means 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay? Not followed?
Followed, sir.
And this is 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. When you take cube root, you get 2R equals to capital R. Now, potential formula I am telling. If you recollect, I told E is V by D. Last lecture we have proved na somewhere.
Yes, sir.
D means actually distance. Here for sphere, distance is radius. So E, we know 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q by R square, and V upon distance R. 1 R will get cancelled. So can I say potential of sphere is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q by R for sphere. Please copy till this, then I'm explaining further. So
Done, sir.
So remember now, potential on charge sphere is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q by R. Can I clear this entire thing? Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
So if you recollect, for sphere means charge sphere, potential is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. So can I say potential of smaller upon potential of larger is small q upon capital Q into capital R upon small r the whole square. Oh, sorry, it was not square, only R.
Yes, sir.
Yes, any doubt till this? Any doubt
No,
till
sir.
this statement? Okay, thank you. So voltage of small upon voltage of large. What is capital Q we got? 8 times small q, na?
Yes.
And what we got capital R? 2 times small r.
2R.
Times are.
So I can cancel this r q cube. This is 4. So can I say voltage of large is 4 times voltage of small? Can I? By cross multiplying, can I say this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please copy till this.
Done, sir.
So one more small calculation, we get our answer. 4 times voltage of small is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon small q upon small r. This is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Q is 66 into 10 raised to minus 15 coulomb. How much is R? How much is R value?
Raised to -3.
How much? 6 into
10 raised to
10
minus
raised to
3.
minus
1 millimeter. It was 10 raised to minus 3. So 4 into 6, 24. 4 into 6, 24 and 2, 26. Into 9 into 10 raised to 9 and 3, 12. 12 and minus 50, minus 3. 9 into 6, 4, 36, carry 3. 9, 6 of 54 plus 3, 57. 18 and 5, 23 into 10 raised to minus 3. So it is 2.376 volt. है क्या option ये? 2.376 volt.
4.
2.4.
हाँ, so round off कर दिया होगा 2.4. A option after round. Have you followed this? अभी इतना बड़ा कैलकुलेशन एग्जाम में आप बोलेगे 1 मिनट में कैसा होएगा, इसलिए अपने पास एक फॉर्मूला मैं लिख देता हूँ. V large is always n raised to 2 by 3 times V small. In our case, see, n was 8. What is 8 raised to 2 by 3? Is it 2 cube raised to 2 by 3? 4 ही आ गया ना बाद में.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this formula you will write as a hint. V large is always n raised to 2 by 3 into V small. Now in 11th syllabus, potential part is deleted. These things again you will get in 12th. But because it was there, I did that sum.
Done, sir.
Sum number 13. When a proton means its charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, same as electron, is accelerated through potential of 1 volt, then what is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy. See, you know from current, potential is work done to move charge. Capacity to do work is called energy. If it is moving, then that energy is kinetic energy. So remember always, kinetic energy is charge into potential in joules. When you divide this with 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19, it becomes electron volt. Those who have studied in ICSC, they might be knowing 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule is called as 1 electron volt. That's why from x joule to electron volt, we have to divide by this 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 9. Please copy till this. Any doubt? Please keep on asking, or don't hesitate to ask the doubt.
Done, sir.
Done? You're done or doubt?
Done, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, sir, electric force is a conservative force.
Electric force is conservative force. Aditya, you are asking, huh?
Yes.
What is conservative force? First, I should know that.
The force that does not depend on path.
That is one. Correct. Independent path. Correct. What else? It is not lost. Na? Anything is conserved means it is not lost.
Yes.
So electrical force is not lost. It will give you conserved. So it is conserved. See, two particles are at distance. You move anyway, force will be same. Na?
Yes.
Conserved. Now kinetic energy. Can I do further?
Yes.
This Q was charge of proton 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Potential is 1 volt upon 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Answer is 1 electron volt. Do we have this? 1 electron volt as option?
Yes, sir.
1 electron, yes, C option. If you have completed, I can clear it and start with 14th.
Yes, sir.
The work done in carrying charge of 5 microcoulomb, from point A to point B in electric field is, so work done is 10 millijoule. The potential difference VB minus VA is how much in the electric field? The work done in carrying 5 from A to B in an electric field. In the electric field means in the direction of it. Opposite given means they will say opposite to the field. Any of you can say field ka direction is from where to where? Positive to negative, correct? Field is always from where to where?
Positive to negative.
Correct. So when you are going in the direction of field, that means towards negative side. So positive को negative pull करता है ना? See, this charge Q is positive at A, and somewhere here we have somewhere negative. So it is getting attracted by the field or pushed by the field.
Attractive.
Attractive. मतलब आपको काम करना ही नहीं पड़ेगा ना, वो खुद खींच रहा है ना.
Yes, sir.
So when charge is, charge means I'm talking positive, is in direction of field, then potential decreases, मतलब कम हो जाता है. Potential decreases मतलब VB का potential VA से कम है. So actually it is VA minus VB is work done to move the charge. Larger minus smaller. VA minus VB will be 10 millijoule. That means 10 raised to minus 3 joule. Upon charge is 5 microcoulomb, 5 into 10 raised to minus 6. So VA minus VB is 2 into 10 raised to 3 volt. Therefore VA minus VB is 2 kilovolt. So VB minus VA will be minus 2 kilovolt. This is the answer, minus 2 kilovolt. Minus 2 is option B. Had it been moving opposite to the field, then plus आ जाता answer. Completed.
Yes, sir. Done.
So that's all for today. Please revise and keep all this sum. Monday we'll meet as per our usual lecture. Tomorrow you have got test, which I told it will be theory.